In the deserts of North and South America, one species creates a sound that strikes fear into all those that hear it: the rattlesnake. There are around 30 species of rattlesnakes found across a range of habitat, with a strong preference for the sands and rocky hills of America's desert regions. Ranging in size from 30 centimeters to nearly 2.5 meters, rattlesnakes display significant diversity, but all share one remarkable adaptation to their environment. Used as a warning to deter the other predators of the desert, the rattlesnake's